Have you ever had trouble with parenting and trying to keep your kids busy or happy? Well, don't worry, because we have some DIY hacks for you. Let's talk about them. If you want to make apples more appealing for your child to eat, all you have to do is get a McDonald's fry box, throw all those fries into a bag, and cut the apple just like the fries would look like. Once you put them into the fry box, your child will really want to eat them now. Pop It homemade. You should always know how to create some cheap, amusing toys for your kids. For instance, Pop It toys. You can make them very easily from just some paper and tape and some small balloons. Get a paper or cardboard with holes cut out in it just like this, and get some small balloons as well and place them into all of the holes. Just like that, you'll have an amazing Pop It. Better hairstyle. Is your child not satisfied with the hairstyle? Well, all you have to do is get 3 hairbands per side and connect them just like so. That way, once you tie them into a pigtail, it will look absolutely amazing, just like a bow. Children learning shapes. If your child is having a hard time learning some shapes, all you have to do is put the printout under the paper and use some baby oil and rub it all over the paper. That way, it'll be transparent and they can easily learn how to trace these shapes just for themselves. Jelly from Pop It. If you want to use a Pop It and make some jelly, it'll be absolutely insane. If you put some gelatin in your favorite carbonated drink, you can spill it into the circles with this little syringe here and put them into the circles of the Pop It. Wait for a little while, and once they're all hardened, your children will love them. Remember, if you have other Pop Its of other shapes, you can use those as well, but we used a regular circle Pop It. Phone Pop It. You can turn your phone or your child's phone into a Pop It. First, get a square-shaped Pop It and cut the shape of your phone into it. While it might sound a little silly, it's a nice solution and a really innovative hack. Cornflakes to sand. If you mix cornflakes in a mixer, this would be a really good way to create some at-home sand. That way, your child could play with it and have no more dirty hands. Homemade squishy. Have you ever wanted a homemade squishy? It's really simple. First, get a balloon and some toothpaste. Fill up the balloon with air just a little bit and tie it off. Then place the tip of the balloon onto the toothpaste and then untwist it so you can insert the toothpaste into it. Then, once it's all filled, get some net, put it over the balloon, and now you have an amazing squishy. Fidget Rubik's Cube. You can make even more toys for your children that involves more Pop Its. First, you'll get a Rubik's Cube and a push-pop fidget toy. Make sure the Rubik's Cube is organized and all sides are of the same color. Grab your fidget toy and cut out all of the pop pieces and glue them onto the same color category as the Rubik's Cube. It'll be way more entertaining to play with the Rubik's Cube with this. Spicing up the ice cream snack. If you want your children to enjoy their ice cream a little bit more, all you have to do is get a chocolate bar and a peeler. First, get the chocolate bar and start trimming it so that there will be tiny little pieces. And then you can put these onto your ice cream and it is very, very delicious. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, make sure to watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!